Boom, what's up team? Out here, middle of nowhere, doing what we do. Wanted to give the satellite phone store a quick shout out. We use these dark go bags. These are Faraday bags, and we've always got essentially everything we need if there's a grid down scenario. One of the added benefits to the new iPhones is that they can switch over to satellite and they can get up on satellite network. That's cool, and it's an awesome feature, and I highly recommend you get one of the new ones that does that. However, there are a few goodies that I still think you should have, and you should still have in your Faraday bag in case there's an EMP attack. That doesn't have to be the big one. It doesn't have to be another country. It can also be terrorists in your area getting ready to unleash a active human killer scenario. Take out all the electronics. There are EMP devices that are the size of a cell phone that can be smuggled and can shut off a number of different electronic devices in the area. So always have your satellite phone, have an external satellite phone, Iridium network that's military grade. These are the things that I get from the satellite phone store, right? So I can bust out my satellite phone while everyone is panicking and cell phone towers are jammed up with all the normies trying to find their people. I'm gonna be able to speak above them on the Iridium network, and that's gonna be in a Faraday bag, right? So that's another massive thing the satellite phone store hooks us up with. We have de-Googled phones, black phones. These are for communication, end-to-end encrypted, that are absolutely 100% secured. That's something you can get from the satellite phone store. That's massive. Another thing that our crews run on the Sabre Defense side primarily are the rhinos, right? The Garmin GPS map 66 India. We have an everywhere network set up where we can track each other in the event of an emergency, or if we're operating in very rural environments. This is amazing for finding your family in the event of an emergency. So we have the physical capabilities, yes, but do you have the digital capabilities? Do you have the communication and the comm capabilities worked out for you and your squad, no matter what happens? Now is the time to make sure that you're getting more and more prepared for whatever happens. And this is just one of the dark bags that I got from the satellite phone store that I have with me everywhere I go, all around this world at all times. Considerations, go check out the satellite phone store and make sure you guys are getting prepared. And if you haven't came and trained with us for the California Grid Down Survival course, go to protectyournation.com and check that out too. Bye.